Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out what happens when you burn an onion. Let's get started. Today I have an old onion. The more old it is, the best results you will get, so choose an onion accordingly. Before burning this, you have to consider three things. You're not suffering from any pulmonary disease, you don't have a fire alarm in your room, you're not allergic to onions. Once you confirm with these three, you can start with this. Now let's burn this in direct fire. Place the onion in direct fire for 30 seconds and it will start to burn. Immediately pull out and get the smoke. This is very aromatic. You can spread the smoke in each and every room in your house. This aromatic smell lasts for 8 hours. This is a natural repellent for bugs and insects. You can completely get rid of the bugs when you do this weekly once. It is also believed that burning onions at home spreads positive energy. It has a lot of health benefits such as it lowers blood sugar levels, good for your heart and reduces anxiety. Once you start to inhale the onion smoke regularly, it improves your digestion, thus helps in weight loss. It reduces belly fat and purifies your body. This onion smoke has the ability to naturally get rid of bacterial spread in the room and keep it safe to stay. Many benefits in this onion burning, so do try this onion burning at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.